I know most of us are no longer in the college and we are having our times. But how many of you, when you go to the bistro to take something to drink, along with the cup, take a straw too? Or did not refuse a straw at the restaurant? Did you know that by doing that, besides polluting, you are killing animals in the ocean? So today I will share with you some data in order to make you aware of the consequences of our choices. And I want you guys to understand that by changing this little habit of using straws, we can make a very big difference. So, according to the website Our Last Straw, plastic drinking straws are among at the top 10 contributors to ocean pollution. Since they do not biodegrade, they break down in microparts that enter in the food chain of marine animals, putting their lives in danger. According to the National Geographic, just in the US alone, more than 500 million straws are used every single day. And another study published last year estimated as many as 8.3 billion plastic straws are polluting the world's beaches. According to the Ocean Conservancy, a person uses almost 2 straws per day. So, to visualize the problem in a smaller scale, imagine our college population of 2000 people using 2 straws per day. This would create more or less 4000 straws that can be potential killers for ocean life. In 1885, Marvin Stone experimented for the first time several ways to create alternatives straws from the one used at the time. Then, in 1888, he patented the first straws made by wrapping paper and glue around a pencil. It was just the late 1960s that America started with the obsession with plastic. So this is due to the development of fast food and their idea of to-go cups with covers and straws. Nowadays, the use of plastic straws does not involve just fast food, but they spread among all hospitality industry. Single-use, non-biodegradable straws make up about 99% of the $3 billion global drinking straw market. So straws, like every little piece of plastic, are very dangerous for animals because they can be seen as food from fishes, turtles, and seagulls. And they can get stuck in their mouth and their noses, provoking their death. Moreover, plastic items can take up more than 1000 years to decompose, which means that they float around the ocean for decades. Over 1 million marine animals are killed every single year due to plastic waste in ocean. And on average, just 600 of these animals are rescued and rehabilitated thanks to volunteers. All considered, the hospitality industry technically holds the power to make the real difference in reducing the plastic straw pollution. However, we can have and we have to be aware that we can change in our small way. We can change our small habit. If you really can't avoid using straws, there is a substitute: paper straws. They biodegrade in around 40 days and can be used for almost everything. The only problem is if they stay too long in the liquid, they start becoming flabby. And what about using cups and covers with the holes that can be closed when you are not drinking? We already have the solution in the bistro, so why we are not doing the effort to try this solution? At the end, the best solution, because it would reduce the use of plastic in general, is water bottles, which actually I'm really glad to see that a lot of students around the campus are everyday users. Corporations and national governments are already taking this problem very seriously, and they are taking action by banning plastic straws. Even though it is really difficult to cut such a big market, alternatives have been found. Companies already are into manufacturing metal and glass straws that conscious consumers can buy for personal use. However, we are still far away from solving this problem, since replacing plastic with paper straws would cost at least $1 more per unit, which is a very huge cost for companies. Among the United States, important cities such as Miami, Seattle, Malibu, Berkeley, and Oakland and Richmond have already banned plastic straws for a while. Then New York City and Hawaii have pending straw ban legislation. So, considering the struggle as the future of our planet, I would like you guys to think about what we do every single day and change our habits, because this does not only imply the use of straws but plastic in general. So there is a lot of waste that can be avoided just being a little bit smarter and aware of this problem. So starting from today, think twice before putting straw in your cup, because you are aware that you can save the lives of marine animals and reduce plastic pollution all over the world. So, how much do you need a straw? Thank you very much.